Good morning, guys. How y'all doing today, baby? How y'all doing? Beautiful Tuesday. You know, the weather is nice today, sunny out. The grind will never stop on my mama. We out here heading to go get this bag, pick out these bags. You got to grind, man. Don't be lazy. Let's go out here and grind. The grind will never stop. Always about the bag. Don't ever forget. Always. Let's go secure the bag. You already know it's your boy checking in. BZ, Mr. Blood Love, Mr. Grab It and Bag It. Stake it till you break it. Wicked money. You already know, baby. You already know, baby. So many ways. Let's get into it. Yeah, guys. Wear your hats. Wear your Grubhub gear, man. Your bag. You know? When you walk into the restaurant, let the Grubhub hat do the talking. You don't even have to say nothing. Let your Grubhub gear do the talking. Your bag and your hat do the talking. Especially when you go into to a new restaurant, you never been in there, you know? Once you walk in, you got your hat on, you already know who you are. You ain't gotta say nothing. And guys, make sure you're showing these employees, your restaurants, you're showing them your phone. Because a lot of drivers go in there picking a lot of wrong orders, you know. They're probably picking up DoorDash and Uber Eats, Postmates orders, because they're not checking. Guys, make sure you're showing them your phone. You show them the Grubhub app, whatever orders you have on there, you show them to whoever you're talking to at the restaurant, So you make sure you pick up the right food. Even though Grubhub tells you, the restaurants is supposed to make sure and check everything, the items is straight, you can also check it too. DoorDash, they make you check everything. You got utensils and all that stuff. Just make a quick check. Make sure you got the right order. It's really not that hard. You look in your phone. You look on the receipt. Most of the restaurants, they put the receipt on there on the item. On the order, so you can check whatever items is on the order. You just check it real quick, or you just show your phone to them and say, "Hey, is this the order right here?" And that's it. And you're on your way. It make it easy for you, the restaurant, and the customer. You take the wrong food to the customer. Now you got to deal with it. You got to call customer service. Of course, they're going to ask you, do you want to go back? It's up to you. You want to go back or not? The customer going to be pissed off. Especially if they tip they tip you good. I mean, they didn't tip you good. It's still a customer. You got to service them, But, if they didn't tip you good, it really don't bother me. I'm not going back. If the tip is good, I might go back and pick it up, even though you're not supposed to. If the tip is good, $20, $15, I might go back, depending on how far the customer is from the restaurants. You feel me? So, guys, make sure you have your gear. Me, I've been working for over 2 years now. So, the restaurants know me now. So, I really don't need my hat. You feel me? They know me. They know who I'm picking up for. Even though they know I do DoorDash and Grubhub. They know me mostly for Grubhub, So I ain't even got to say nothing, But for the new drivers, and the people, who the restaurant don't know, you definitely need your Grubhub hat, your Grubhub gear, let that do the talking for you. You don't even have to open your mouth. You walk in, they see who you are, you feel me? It make it much easier for everybody, you feel me? Because a lot of drivers go, and they go in line. I don't ever go in line. I just go straight to the counter and pick up my order if it's ready. You don't ever go in line, because we just go in and pick up. I don't stand in line for what? My order came in through the Grubhub tablet before the customers got there. So why do I need to wait in line for what? Like I'm saying, the restaurant don't know who you are. Especially if they don't know who you are. You need to wear your gear so they know who you are. I say, hey, Grubhub, come over here. And they give you your order. They always say, come over, come around. Because you don't have to wait. But you don't have your gear, you standing in line. They don't know who you are. They're going to figure you a customer too. You feel me? So it make it easier, guys. Wear your Grubhub hat. Or bring in your bag too. Have your bags. Your Grubhub bags, make it easier. Alright guys, let's go out here and secure this bag. It's Mr. Grab It and Bag It. Stake it till you break it. We get money. So many ways, baby. Let's get paid, baby. Tuesday, let's get paid. Let's go hustle. Work smart and work hard. Know your worth. You got to know your worth. Your worth is your wealth. Knowing your worth is your wealth. Alright? Peace out. I hope you have a great one. God bless everybody. And peace out. Boss.